Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting only the essentials ready: footage, comp, and a duplicate layer. Once done, name the top track Bokeh and change its blending to add or screen so bright areas glow. Now push highlights using lumetri or levels, raise exposure or highlights until bright points pop without destroying overall contrast. This creates a simple bright mask source for Bokeh. Make sure you keep the original layer untouched beneath. You'll mix them later for the final effect. Next, you turn those isolated highlights into soft, realistic bokeh. Apply camera lens blur to the bokeh layer and increase blur radius until the bright spots become circular blobs. Higher values for close-ups, lower for wide shots. Change iris shape, blade count, and roundness to match the lens feel you want. Fewer blades means polygonal bokeh. More rounded blades make softer orbs. Refine the matte with threshold or a matte choker so only true highlights blur, and feather the mask for natural falloff. Finally, composite the bokeh with the base footage. Adjust the bokeh layer opacity or use add/screen blending until it reads naturally. Once blended, color grade the highlights separately with curves or hue/saturation to match scene warmth. If you need more realism, add a slight motion blur to the bokeh layer or animate the radius for rack focus feel. If things go wrong, reduce blur radius, smooth the matte, or switch to 16-bit color to prevent banding. That usually fixes chunkiness and abrupt edges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.